Hey everybody, Jackie Hu here from the Hu and Blue Real Estate Group. I'm so excited to invite you into our newest listing, a 2-bedroom, fabulous turnkey condo that comes fully furnished in the beautiful city of Inglewood. Located in a small gated access complex with 2 underground parking spaces, this amazing condo has a sparkling pool and gym to enjoy. Living here would provide you easy access to shopping centers, awesome local restaurants, sprawling parks, LAX, and the SoFi Stadium, and much, much more. Come on in to this modern and stylish space that you can call your own in 2023. Enter into a large living room boasting of an open floor plan with gorgeous, chic flooring and contemporary touches throughout. Your fully remodeled chef's kitchen with an eat-in breakfast bar and adjacent dining area features a built-in range, stainless steel appliances, and bright, abundant cabinetry. The 2 bedrooms are spacious and have direct access to a large balcony. The primary bedroom has its own updated modern bathroom. The hallway features a full bathroom as well as an in-unit laundry. Thank you for touring this beautiful and updated condo with me. Contact the Hu and Blue Real Estate Group for any of your real estate needs.